cars out. Looks like it's pretty dry.
This guy ended up over here, couldn't go no further.
Yeah, all night on the side of the road. I remember that truck trying to pass us earlier.
Remember?
Yeah. Last night. I guess that's about as far as he got. Maybe he couldn't make it up the hill. Atlanta, clean your roads. Somebody's stuck in the middle of the road up there. Oh, that guy went off the road, huh? There's that FedEx truck that we were behind.
He didn't put I don't think he put any chains on.
No.
Maybe he did. That's why he got this far.
No, I doubt it. Somebody threw some sand out here.
That's
Probably came over here and dug it up.
that's kitty litter.
Kitty litter?
Yeah. Oh shit.
Yeah. I remember this truck passed us.
Yeah.
Damn, what? Somebody lost control or something? Wow. Woo! Look at that car.
He got signs.
Oh, he got hit. All the airbags are out. That guy's into the wall there. People are looking at me as I'm videotaping them.